With our quick import, you can easily import your data into Meisterplan. In this video, we will be importing projects, but you can also import many other types of data, such as resources, allocations, and milestones. You can also use the same import to update existing projects. We'll start in the Portfolio Designer, which is the main dashboard in Meisterplan. The sample project data here has been deleted, so it may look different than your system. Before you begin, make sure you are in the scenario where you would like to import your data. Click Import and Export to open an overview of all copy and paste imports from spreadsheets. Then select Projects from the import options. If you would like an example of what your data should look like, download our example spreadsheet. To successfully import your projects, your spreadsheet must contain one line per project and a column for each data field you would like to import. Copy your data from your spreadsheet, including the column headers. This makes it easier to find your data later. Now that you have your data ready, click Start Import. Click Paste from Clipboard or use your keyboard shortcut to paste your data into Meisterplan. In this step, drag and drop your Meisterplan fields to match them to the spreadsheet columns. If your spreadsheet column and Meisterplan field have the same name, they will automatically match during this step. Last, review your data for errors. Data cells with errors are highlighted in red so you can easily find an issue with your dataset. If you find errors in your import, simply edit the cell to correct it. If a custom field value does not already exist in the Meisterplan system, it will be added. Click the Import button to import your projects into Meisterplan. Your projects are now available in your Meisterplan system, and you can begin planning your project portfolio. You can use the Portfolio Designer to see your projects on a Gantt chart, or the project list to see them in a list format, in addition to many other views. Click a project in any one of these views to see the project details. Use the quick import to add information to this project or edit it directly in this view. To learn more about all our quick imports, check out our Help Center. We also love hearing from you, so feel free to contact us at support@meisterplan.com.